Hello, I'm Shan Li. Let me show you how to add and edit text. In NB 3D Map, I have opened a map. Now, I want to move this area name a little bit below. Then I should click on the text icon above. After clicking it, a new interface will appear. On the left is a flat map, and on the right is the text information, including coordinate values. When I place the mouse cursor on a text message on the right, its corresponding text will flash on the map on the left, so that I can find which text I want to move. If you want to move text, you can directly enter the coordinate value, or you can click the coordinate value like I did, and scroll the mouse wheel up or down, and the value will change accordingly. After the move is completed, click the OK button above. You can see that the position of this text has changed. Next, I'm going to add some numerical information. Below, the region name. This time, still click on the text editing icon above. Just click the mouse directly on this flat map. Wherever you click, text will appear. Then enter the text on the right side. Then click to add the next text. And go to the right to enter the text content. I only add the text in these three places as an example. When finished, click the OK button. This is what the map looks like after adding text. What should I do if I want to delete some text? You can click the text edit button again. Find the text you want to delete through the flashing position, and click the trash can icon to delete it. But we also provide another way to delete text. Expand Select Settings. There is a text module inside. Because this is called Select Setting, we must select the text before editing. Click it with the mouse and the text will be selected and flash. Just click the Delete Text button. Let's take a look at how to use distance adjustment here. In the previous video, I demonstrated that a selected area was raised individually, but the text did not rise accordingly. In fact, I have to select the text first and raise it, and then select the area to adjust the thickness. Because text can be added arbitrarily, there is no one-to-one correspondence between text and areas. You can only raise the text and the area one after another. After the text is raised, you can click this button to restore the height of the text. Finally, I will show you how to change the font style. Expand font settings. If you do not need to display text on the map, uncheck this box. Font type can be chosen from two options: 2D and 3D. Let's first take a look at the characteristics of 2D fonts. The text will always be facing us, no matter how we switch the map perspective. Expand 2D font. We can set the size of the text and also change the distance between the text and the map. Click this button to change the text color. The following button can set the text background color. For example, if I set a dark background to the text now, it will look like this. And click this button to change the font type. Just enter the correct font name. Then I switch to 3D fonts. The thickness of this 3D font is different from that of the 2D font, so the text in this area cannot be seen. Now restore the thickness of this area to normal. Expand 3D font. Since 3D fonts have many limitations, the system presets two fonts. If you don't like these two fonts, you can switch the font type to 2D fonts. These are settings for adjusting font size, thickness, and color. Different from 2D fonts, there is an additional font side color. The button below can change the tilt angle of the text. The bottom one is to adjust the distance between the text and the map. The part of text in NB 3D Map have been demonstrated. If you need to know more functions, please check the next video episode. Thanks for watching.